In this lesson, you will learn more about the concept of variable arrays. Let's open a sample program to help start the barcode challenge. To open a sample program, choose the File menu, then select Open Sample Program. The window that appears is a listing of all of the sample programs folders included with Robot C. From this listing, choose the Curriculum Examples folder and open it. Then select the Barcode Challenge Template Sample Program. The template program should look somewhat familiar to you. The robot's devices are configured in the pragma statements at the top. However, the new code below the configuration is different from anything you've seen before. This new set of code is called an array of variables, or an array for short. Arrays are a useful enhancement to variables that allow a single variable name to store multiple values. The idea is to store a common set of related data into a single variable name. Then access the different bits of data by specifying the location of the data, also known as the index of the array. Let's break the code for the array in our program down. The first part, char, is the data type of our variable array. A char represents the character data type and is used to store a single ASCII keyboard character. After the data type is the name of the variable. In this example, the name letters is used. Next to the number of the variable is a set of square brackets with a number inside of it. This number represents the size of the array, also known as the number of elements in the array. Since there are 26 letters in the alphabet, in addition to an underscore character to represent spaces, our array is set to a size of 27 elements. The last step is to fill the array with information. Since our array will hold all of the letters that are able to be scanned in the barcode challenge, we'll pre-populate the array with an underscore character, followed by each letter from the alphabet. Notice that this set of data is encapsulated by a set of curly braces, with each character separated by a comma and ending in a semicolon. You can think of an array like the address of a house. The variable name, in this example, letters, is the name of the street. And each of the 27 elements of the array are the house numbers that are located on the letters street. The data in the array is stored in each individual element of the array, similar to how people live inside of the houses. When accessing the individual element in the array, you will need to use the array's index. But one thing to note, array indexes begin at 0, not 1. This means for our 27 element array, you will be able to access index 0 through 26. This is very important to remember, as trying to access an index larger than the array will generate an error when your program runs. This also means that even though the letter C is the fourth element in the array, it will have an index of 3. Save a copy of the template program using the File Save As, and give it a name of Barcode Scanner. After saving the program, go ahead and download the program, but keep your robot connected to the computer. Once downloaded, press the Start button on the Program Debug window. Notice in the Global Variables window that the contents of the letters array is displayed, and each individual element is separated by their array index. The Global Variables window is an excellent reference for understanding how arrays are organized with the ability to see the contents of each element and its index. With an understanding on what arrays are, the next lesson will cover how to start scanning the line segments and storing the barcode data.